Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's learn how to draw Marshall from Paw Patrol. Ready? Let's get started. Let's first draw his forehead with a semicircle. Next, we shall draw his ears for one side first. And continue to do a smaller one with similar shape inside to complete. At the position slightly before the bend of the forehead, let's add in the other ear. We are completed with both ears now. Let's move on to draw Marshall's mouth. First, do an inverted C. Bring the line in. Make a small bend. And bring the line up. Like so. From the middle of the bend, draw a tick in the opposite direction, bringing it up to the end of the line we drew just now. And we are ready to add in his tongue and teeth. Complete his face by drawing in his chin now. The outline of Marshall's face is completed. We shall add his eyebrows and eyes now. At a small distance from where the tip of the mouth is, draw a big semicircle for his eyes. And close off the gap below. Let's add in Marshall's emotion inside his eyes. Repeat similar steps for the other eye. Now we can draw in the nose using an inverted rounded triangle. And continue with a long rounded line across the nose to represent the reflection of light. Finish up with some details around the nose, and it will be time to shade. End off with making some dots to represent the pores for his whiskers. And finish off with a line at the tip of his mouth. We are completed with Marshall's head. Let's move on to draw his body. We'll start by doing the collar first. Following the outline of his chin, draw a curved line across. Make a small bend towards the end. Like so. Now do another similar curved line above it. At where the bend is, draw 2 lines down. Next, move on to add in the front portion of his shirt before drawing in his front legs. It's time to draw in his front paws, in between the gap now. By using 2 inverted U first. And do a rounded curved line from the second U back to close the gap. Now draw the inner line, following the shape earlier. Like so. Repeat similar steps for the other leg. Continue to add in his paw prints. First draw 3 ovals. And a rounded triangle with a slight bend. Do the same for the other side. His front legs are completed now. We shall move on to finish drawing his shirt. From the back collar, draw around, and bring it back to the front leg. Like so. Proceed to draw an inner line at the back of the shirt and front leg to create a layer feel. Next, it's time for us to work on his fire badge. Add a pocket towards the back to finish. Continue to draw his hind legs. From the back of his shirt, draw an inverted L. And at a distance apart, draw another one at an opposite direction. Finish up with adding in his paws and tail at the back. It's time to add in some random spots now to complete Marshall. Shall we add in a ball for Marshall? Let's do it. have learned how to draw Marshall today. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Do help me like, share, and subscribe.